Welcome to Old Fort Harrod State Park in beautiful, historic downtown Harrodsburg, Kentucky. My name is David Coleman. I'm the park manager here, and we're going to be building our version of a historic mud oven. Our first attempt ended in epic failure. Wanted to cave in spots. Our cob mixture was way too soft. So basically we're just making a big mountain of sand right now. This method here takes a lot longer for it to dry out, but we're just about ready to start working on the outside. We played around with the formula a little bit and we discovered that you can do 50-50 volume or 50-50 weight, and I thought the 50-50 volume worked pretty good. So I filled my sand in there. We're gonna add this to the clay. So let me get a bucket of water. We need to cover this in parchment paper. That's to keep our cob that we put on, our clay and sand mixture that we just saw Miss Patty over there mixing up, from sticking to the sand. So we've mixed this up. This is half and half by volume, not by weight, because it's a little bit different. You'll get a little bit more sand if you mix it up by weight. So this is 50-50 by volume. So, and it's giving me the consistency we want. This is exactly how it was when I tested it the other day. And within 24 hours, you could knock on this with a hammer and it wouldn't just fall apart. You'd have to really hit it in order to break it. We're gonna try to get a bottom layer on this as quickly as we can. We smacked it with our hands and mushed it all together and got it packed down. And it's just about the right consistency. Now I'm going to score it. As soon as I can, I'm going to take this board off. We might actually find a way to blow some air in here. Try to get as much ventilation on this as possible to dry this clay out. So hopefully we'll be eating high on the hog, so to speak, in our brand new mud oven. Okay, so we've got our outer shell on, which includes straw in with the clay and the mud, or in with the clay and the sand. This is about 300 pounds or so of clay and about 400 pounds of sand in the entire structure. We kept it at about 500 degrees this morning. We are ready to have our first day of cooking. So she's got her dish buttered. And then she's gonna add some water to her cornmeal, get it to the consistency that she likes. But we've just got the cornmeal and the water. Now when this comes out of the oven, we'll probably add a significant amount of butter to it. So we've got our cornbread out of the oven and we're gonna give it a try here. See how Mary can make cornbread in our very authentic mud oven outside. So I'm gonna get back to enjoying this really good cornbread that Mary just baked in our brand new mud oven right outside the door. And we really hope you come and enjoy and visit our living history here at Old Fort Harrod State Park, where we have all kinds of demonstrations going on in the 18th century style every day of the week, Wednesday through Sunday, here at Old Fort Harrod State Park. That's good. It's good stuff.